Meaning of fixed wing.
Fixed wing.
Fixed wing.
Fixed wing.
Fixed wing. Fixed wing refers to a type of aircraft that has wings that are fixed in place and do not move or rotate. This is in contrast to other types of aircraft, such as helicopters or tilt-rotor aircraft, that have wings or rotors that can move or rotate in order to generate lift and control the aircraft's motion. Fixed-wing aircraft are used for a wide range of purposes, including commercial transport, military operations, and scientific research. They are typically faster and more efficient than other types of aircraft, but require longer runways for takeoff and landing.